Welcome back, everyone. Just another moment of appreciation for our gorgeous sky here in the FM area. We do have increasing clouds tonight with a cold front that's moving through, and that same cold front is responsible for a few flakes this evening, and we're getting some reports of some very light freezing mist or freezing drizzle up towards the Roseau area as well. This cold front, once it moves out, we're going to see falling temperatures behind it. We do have our next chance of snow that arrives just in time for our weekend, and through next week that colder air mass taking over. But here's what we're seeing right now. Mostly clear still at the airport in Fargo with increasing clouds. Feels like 24 with wind out of the west-southwest 9 miles per hour. Moorhead currently at 30 degrees, 31 in Grand Forks, northwest breeze at 14 miles per hour. Temperatures are generally upper 20s to low 30s, right at 30 in Bemidji, Thief River, Roseau, 32 Fergus Falls, 28 in Oaks, 26 in Devil's Lake. Looking at the big picture here, that light freezing drizzle and a couple of isolated flakes not showing up very well in northern Minnesota, but we have been getting those reports. Additional light snow still up in Canada that will be on its way into our region tonight. So a few light snow showers moving through primarily across the northern valley and parts of northern Minnesota, though we can't rule out an isolated flake in the southern valley. Behind the cold front later this evening, the wind is going to pick up a bit, so that north wind pulling in some colder air. Some partial clearing first thing in the morning. Temperatures generally in the teens, but because of that wind, it's going to feel much cooler. We could have a couple of wind chills in those single digits. Partly sunny through the day tomorrow, and notice temperatures are falling. We start our day in the upper teens to near 20s, and by mid-afternoon, we're mid-teens, and by tomorrow night, slipping into the single digits in some places. So for here in Fargo, here's a look at that temperature trend for tomorrow. Waking up to a temperature right around 20 degrees, sliding into the mid-teens with a couple of peaks of sun in the afternoon. Tomorrow morning across the area, 15 Roseau in Thief River Falls, 15 Devil's Lake, 21 in Wahpeton, 22 in Fergus Falls, 21 Fergus by the afternoon, 15 in Fargo, Grand Forks, Langdon, 20 in Jamestown. We also have a couple of upcoming chances for snow beginning this weekend. Not looking like huge events, but some light scattered snow beginning Friday late afternoon into the evening, continuing into Saturday afternoon before exiting off to the east. Looking at our temperature trend, we've been talking about that cooler pattern arriving, and here it comes next week. Temperatures will be dropping to below average. So tomorrow will be a little bit below average because of those falling temperatures. Then we recover back into the 20s with those chances of snow through the weekend. And here we go. Let's introduce a few single digits. And Stacy, I really do believe that many could see single digits, if not teens below zero, a couple mornings next week.
Oh, we're just going to jump right back into it, aren't we?
I know, but this is what we usually expect for this time of year, but I keep saying it, we have just been so spoiled.
It's true. I like being spoiled. Thanks, Summer. Well, an increase is coming to Social Security benefits. We'll break down what to expect later here at 5.